Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon MATIC. So on the MATIC chart here, highlighted to you in the last video that it still looks as if it might want to do another low. Problem is, if MATIC does another low or gives us another low, then we are likely invalidating the yellow wave count, which obviously had to be considered with a lot of caution anyway, because we didn't have an impulse to the upside as explained, and I think a break below 55 cents will make the white wave count very, very likely. We'll put it clearly in control here. What's the yellow count? What's the white count? The yellow wave count is the bullish interpretation. We have been waiting for another low into last week, and that low happened. However, it hasn't shown yet any impulsive reaction or aggressive reaction to the upside to the Fibonacci support area that we're tracking. 55.3 cents is the last reliable bullish support we have here on the chart, the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement. And so far, there is no reaction. In fact, today, again, seems to be another red day. Nothing major for crypto, but still seems not very motivated to go. And it would take a break, and I think that's unchanged. Yeah, it's unchanged. It would take a break above 63 cents to indicate a low is in. Until then, I remain focused on the downside. I've also remained focused on the downside on the Bitcoin chart because we are in a local downtrend and prices have not shown any reaction here to any of these Fib levels. The support area is highlighted in orange anyway, so that typically means we are not surprised if support breaks. That's all explained on our Discord server as well. And if we make a break, or if we get a break below 55.3 cents, then we should come down in this C wave here, which might need one more low. We're going to take a look at that in a minute, to around 48.5 cents or 41. This would be the next support area, 48.5 cents or 41. This is a bit of a range. Would take a break below 55.3 cents to confirm, however. The support areas can be really valuable. I, at the time, did buy in this region. I can't remember what the exact price was, but I did buy in this region, then took some profits on the way up. Can't remember how much there was. I document that all on Discord and Telegram. And then said I will probably start to scale in at some point. Haven't started yet. But yeah, if we break below 55.3 cents, I might start around 48 cents again. Would be a nice one, and then potentially there look at the new beginning of a new uptrend. But we need to be very cautious that until we see a reaction to any of these Fib levels, price can easily still drop further. So I think we need to focus on lower at the moment. Yeah, here on the MATIC chart, that would be a focus on lower against the 63 cent level, because that's resistance. As long as we stay below that level, lower should be the primary scenario, because again, there is no reaction to the Fib supports. And however, we need to remain very, very much attentive to potential reversals, because most of these coins are pretty much oversold, and whenever they have been oversold to such a degree, here, for example, on the 4-hour chart, was very much oversold. Another low could generate a bullish divergence. Very useful typically, yeah, on the 4-hour chart. So therefore we need to be very much attentive to potential reversals when they form. Daily chart is also oversold. Last time it was that much oversold was here in June, and a rally. Well, it didn't quite double, but I think it rallied like 40% or something. So it's certainly something that is interesting. Yeah, even if it's only a corrective rally that follows and another low afterwards. But these rallies of an oversold reading on the daily RSI are pretty good, pretty interesting. It rallied, yeah, around about, okay, 75%. So it's pretty good. So let's see if we get a turnaround somewhere at one of these levels. At the moment, as I said, I would remain focused on lower. We also have a bullish engulfing candle again on the daily. Now, okay, the daily candle isn't closed yet. But if we are looking at this white wave count, which suggests we are in a C wave to the downside, we'd be tracking a 5-wave move down, because the C wave is always a 5-wave move. One, probably here, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 3, 4, and one more low could come. Typically what I like to do is to start to scale in around the wave 4 with one more low to come, but I'm careful here because so far no reaction at all. But even if we make another low, I think it could give us that bullish divergence and then find a reaction around 48.5 cents. It would be expected though, if the 55 cent level breaks, that we get a low below the 50.7 cent low. That would be ideal, because this is then a third wave, a rally in a fourth wave, the move down in a fifth wave, and ideally, unless it's forming a truncation, which is always possible, where it can't make another low. But yeah, so I think focus on lower. So we expect another low, and unless it really can turn around now, yeah, and break above 63 cents, I would expect now 48.5. I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.